I'm going to go at side 2, and I just thought I'd tell you what I've observed from the first side, because each time you do something you get better at it, you make less cock-ups maybe, and I'll show you what I did wrong on the other side. I thought when I did the other side I thought I'd start from the front, and I took out the battery boxes from there, then I took the door off, then I took the back wing off, and you just lose all reference points. So when you take the battery box off, this front wing goes all floppy and you lose the line, so it makes that gap a bit difficult. This is all filler here, and it's filler along the bottom of that wing there. So I haven't got anything original to work to, but at least I can see what's happening at the moment. And that gap gets bigger at the bottom, and then up there disappears to nothing. And looking at it from the top, I've got a step here, and then going the other way I've got a step here, so that's not right. The gap along the window frame is okay, and then it gets really tight, and then here I've got a step sort of okay there, then the door's too far out here. So what I shall do this side is take the door off. I'll have to open it like this from inside. Take the door off, fix the door because I've got the same rot problems there. Sort the hinges out, get the door back on, and then try and replace the sill. And I think this sill, at the moment it looks like it's original. That looks like an original thing there. No joins. And it looks slightly better here, although the door has been off before because I can see repairs to the hinges. But here, this B post, that's not even attached. So it's still a bit of make it up as you go along type thing. So, see how we get on. Got some work to do on the boot here as well. So that top line is decent, that's the hinge end, and then as I come down here, the boot lid actually overhangs the rear wing there, and on the other side I've got a big gap that end, and then it goes to sort of okay. So I don't know if the whole back end has twisted over a bit. And if anybody's got some detail on this, I can reuse that. That'll all clean up okay. But the hinges disappeared. And I think the hinge used to screw onto here somewhere, so I can remake all this panel here. But just a bit of detail on the hinge. There's the hinge pin and the spring. Just what all that looks like. That would be quite useful. Thank you very much.